Welcome back, Scent Squad. Emerald C here with a fragrance review for you for Althaïr from Parfum de Marly. So this was a fragrance where I first discovered it when I was in the store and we were looking for a niche fragrance, my husband and I. And we decided on Setly, which we ended up having to order online. And when we ordered, it came with the discovery kit of being able to order 3 different fragrances, little mini vials. So this was one of the 3 fragrances. Now, what I love about this fragrance is it is a warm, spicy, creamy, vanilla, cinnamon, cardamom, gourmand fragrance. It's a mouthful, but yes, it is all of that. It is very complex. It is like a nice, sexy, sweet scent without being overwhelming. Now, this fragrance is phenomenal as a unisex fragrance. It is a really good unisex fragrance that I feel is best suited with the scent notes that are here for the winter, fall, or evening, right? Because I feel like wearing something like this would be too cloying. It'd be way too overwhelming on a hot summer day, on a spring day, or anything in the morning. It'd be way too much. In the nighttime, I feel like this can really shine through and really pack a punch. For the sillage for this fragrance, like how big is the fragrance when you spray it? This is another one that I don't feel like it's a room-filling fragrance, but I feel like around the bubble that you're in, it's a great fragrance. So my 13-year-old son smelled it and he was just like, oh, you smell good. Not even purposely trying to smell it. I think I just like walked by and he's like, oh, you smell good. He's like, you kind of smell like food, like some kind of like dessert. And I'm like, yes, he's definitely smelling the cinnamon, vanilla, gourmandy notes. Now, with that in mind, longevity of this fragrance, I've come to find that, of course, it is expected in a niche for something to at least be long lasting, especially at that price point. So with that in mind, it is a long lasting fragrance. So Parfum de Marly definitely came through on this one. It's most certainly giving 10 plus hours just on skin, which is super surprising to me. And it's another fragrance where you don't have to like bathe in it and get all of your, all of your pulse points to be able to really smell it and shine through. So with that in mind, we're going to read through our little pamphlet of what we have here. A distinctive ambery fragrance opening with a blend of citrus and spices, leading to a sweet vanilla heart, settling on a base of warm and woody notes. I love it. We're going to go ahead and take this out and we're going to spray. There we go. And just immediately, I love it. Just almost immediately, it smells like fall. That's what I'm getting. It almost immediately smells like the cinnamon. You're definitely getting cardamom. You can smell the vanilla that's in there. All of those notes are what you're going to smell. And I love it. This feels like such a cozy scent. And I love that it's a unisex. Even though some might say it slightly leans towards like something that's masculine, I don't feel like there are notes in here that's just like a hard hook for a masculine fragrance. I do feel like a man could wear this, but yes, also a woman could easily wear this. And I'm not just saying that because of some of the notes that are in there too. So we have our top notes for this fragrance, our top notes for our Althaïr. Our top notes for this fragrance are cinnamon, cardamom, orange blossom, and bergamot. So this is what we're going to smell first for a bit before it evaporates, before it kind of settles in. So our heart, middle, or secondary notes of this fragrance are bourbon vanilla, which I love, 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 followed by Emily. I think that's how you say it correctly. Don't quote me on it. Once they kind of dissolve, evaporate, just kind of melt into your skin, you're hit with your base notes. This is what lasts the longest and what you're going to smell the most for a long period of time on your skin. You have praline, musk, ambroxan, and Gregaric wood. So that's what you're going to get hit with after a while. So this fragrance is phenomenal. I feel like anywhere between like your 30s, 40s, I can't really see someone in their 20s like really wearing and appreciating it. You'll smell a fragrance and you'll say, you know what, this is a little bit more of an experience fragrance. Or you'll smell something, you're like, this is so sweet and youthful. This seems like something someone younger will wear. This right here is a bit different. I feel like this can very easily fit in like that age range. If you have this fragrance, I want to hear from you. I want to know if it's something you love, something you hate, if you feel like, oh my God, this is so groundbreaking, or whatever the case. I want to hear from you. I want you to drop your comment below. If you haven't already, I need you to stop doing what you're doing. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Toodaloo, Scent Squad.